What's up everyone? It's David here. I've got the iPhone 16e and I'm going to be unboxing it. You knew what was coming up. If you could hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. Okay, so let's get to it, shall we? Love the new packaging still. No styrofoam. So just lift it up. Some things haven't changed since the first iPhone packaging. Still have to lift it up. Cool. Reveals a nice shiny white iPhone. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual what's inside the box. Right. Charger cable. I don't understand this. This is what gets me. I got all the cards, okay? I got all the cards. My wife doesn't love me any card. Wait, why is that in there? It's good. These cards are made in China anyway, and they're not even made out of card. I don't understand this. This is waste of paper. Who's behind this? This makes no sense. Why do they do this? Someone's going to have a talk. And you got your, I was going to say lightning cable. It's not anymore. It's your USB-C. Obviously, they changed that because of the court ruling. And now the actual iPhone. The reason why we come here for the 16e. Just lift off the slab there. Woohoo! Shiny! I like when the things are new. Turns on, got the Apple logo. Nice. Hello. So I'm going to go for English. United Kingdom. Obviously, this is where the region of the phone is. Just waiting. Here we go. Appearances. Next. Quick start. Yeah. Have to connect to Wi-Fi. Every new iPhone or Apple product out of the box, more or less the iPhone or the iPad, you have to do a software update in order to be able to connect it to Apple's server to register it, to activate it. Okay, so there you go, software update. Could have actually pressed later. Don't know why I pressed that. It's just obviously showing you the whole thing of how to do it. So it's downloading. This would normally take a couple of minutes on my internet, but because I was filming it at basically at a friend's house, obviously I was dependent on their internet connection, which was most unfortunate, but not unexpected. So you can see there it says about 2 hours remaining, and that's just an estimate based on, see, it gone down to 1 hour. That's gone on 56 minutes. 48. 42. I should have pressed setup later. I mean, you can just literally skip this part if you really want to. We'll prepare an update. Still preparing. Should be only a minute or two. And then it'll reset. Let's verify an update. There we go. Resetted. And we get the Apple logo with the load bar come up. There we are. This doesn't make any sense, to be honest, this load bar, because it will just all of a sudden just jump. I will be releasing a shortened video of this, of course. So if some people say it's too long, you can watch the shorter video, which will just literally be the highlights. See? What's that about? It didn't even go all the way across. It just literally went straight to that. I just don't understand. But it says hello. So that's good. Hello again. All different languages. Okay, going back to appearance again, because it's obviously updated the software. Okay, continue. Data and privacy, you know. Age range, I like this. Obviously adult. Face ID, I'll set that up later. Or never. Okay, so now it's signing into the Apple account. And when that happens, you know, happy days! Great, now that's over. Continue. Make this your new iPhone. Make this your new iPhone again. It's obviously loading. Just have to wait. Now it's saying hello again for the 5th time, I think, now. All the different languages. And that's it. It's done. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And like always, see you out there.